Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on SXP coin. For the past several months, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that SXP coin has broken out on a 7-day time frame chart, and this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this another downtrend line resistance. That is in fact the resistance of another symmetrical triangle. And by the way, we found the support of this triangle when it was moving inside this wedge. You can see we had a nice bounce, then we got rejected by the resistance here, then we had few more touch points here at the support, and here we had another bounce from the support, and recently you can see that we got stable ejections by this resistance of symmetrical triangle. You can see we got 2 touch points here, drop down again, the price line got rejected and dropped down, and recently it is getting bounced from the support on this symmetrical triangle. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that for the past several months it is working as a very strong resistance, and right now the price line has broken out the lower bands, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of lower band as a support, and now there is a probability that the price line may try to break out the upper bands. And in today's video we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for nulls, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case I shared the signal on 27th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of SXP, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously it was moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern since after the month of May 2021, and after getting squeezed here when it was dropped down here at the support. By the way, in those days I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that it will be very difficult for SXP to break down this support of 20 cents, and now it can break out the resistance of the wedge. And you can see that we broke out, and from this low of 20 cents up till this high, it rallied almost 361%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 60 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here and resistance here. And now for the past several months it is breaking as a resistance. You can see we got rejection here and here for a while. For almost 2 weeks we broke it out, but we got rejected by the next resistance of this triangle, and again we broke it down, and this time the price line went very close to this resistance of 60 cents, but could not reach the resistance due to this downtrend and resistance of this triangle. Right now you can see that the price line is again bounced from the support of this triangle, and you can see that we have several bounces from the support. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that we are watching right now happening on this 7-day time frame chart. And this time the resistance of the triangle will be somewhere here approximately at 48.5 cents, and before that we will need to break out this long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. At the same time you can see that SXP is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, even after breaking out this triangle, we will still need to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, because until or unless it will be not able to break it out, this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, a long-term bull run will be not started for SXP coin. Now if we take a look at the targets in case of breaking out this triangle, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $1.88. By the way, in case of breaking down, I am not expecting a target to the downside here at 76 cents. You can see that it is showing us the target quite down from here in case of breaking it down. Yes, there will be a probability that after the breakdown, the price line may test this long-term support of 20 cents. However, there are more chances for the breakout, because this time we have the support of the triangle, and we also have the support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that we have broken out the lower bands, and now it is breaking as a support. Therefore, after this bounce, there is a probability that soon it may break it out, and in case of breaking out, the target will be approximately somewhere here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then $1.85. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $4.80 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.